Wait, are you still struggling with boring setups and overpriced junk? Yeah, we've all been there. Welcome to the channel where we fix that mess fast. Today, you'll discover smart picks that actually make life easier. Stick around, laugh a little, and hey, grab your favorites from the links below. Your coffee's not getting cold, it's literally abandoning you mid-conversation. That betrayal? Yeah, it's real. And that's exactly where the iKago mug warmer steps in. Let's break it down. First problem, you make a hot drink. You get distracted, boom, cold sadness in a cup. Reheating it? Now it tastes like regret. Now the fix. The iKago mug warmer quietly keeps your drink at the exact temperature you choose, down to a single degree. No guessing, no burnt tongue, just consistent warmth, powered by smart infrared sensing that tracks your drink in real time. Here's where it gets interesting. It doesn't just heat, it maintains. For hours. Even slow sippers can relax without sprinting to the microwave every 20 minutes. The good stuff? Precise control, auto shut-off, clean design. The meh part? Works best with flat ceramic mugs. And yeah, no app control. Compared to basic warmers, this feels like upgrading from a candle to a smart heater. Who should buy it? Desk workers, gamers, chronic, I forgot my tea people. Final thought. This isn't just a gadget, it's revenge against cold coffee. Your blender isn't broken, it's just emotionally weak. Yeah, I said it. And that daily struggle of chunky smoothies? That's exactly why the Ninja Blender exists. Let's cut the drama. First problem. Cheap blenders cry the moment they see ice. You press blend, and suddenly it sounds like a helicopter having a panic attack. Yet somehow the spinach is still alive. Now, the upgrade. The Ninja Blender brings serious power. High-torque motors and stacked blades don't just spin, they attack ingredients from every angle, crushing ice and frozen fruit like it owes them money. Here's the twist. Auto IQ programs do the thinking for you. Press one button and it blends, pauses, and perfects the texture automatically. The good stuff? Powerful, versatile. Dishwasher-safe parts means no post-smoothie depression. The part? It's loud. Like neighbors think you're building a rocket loud. Compared to premium options like Vitamix, less expensive, still seriously capable. Who should buy it? Busy people, gym lovers, anyone tired of chewing their smoothies. Final thought? This thing doesn't blend, it dominates your kitchen chaos.
Your home isn't dumb. It's just waiting for permission to be smarter. And somehow, you're still walking across the room just to turn off a fan like it's 2005. That's where the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini quietly changes the game. Let's get real. The problem? Forgetting to turn things off, wasting electricity, or worse, lying in bed thinking, did I leave that iron on? Anxiety level? Expert mode unlocked. Now, the fix. The Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini lets you control devices from anywhere using your phone. Lights, fans, chargers, tap once, done. Here's the fun part. You can schedule everything. Morning coffee turns on before you wake up. Lights switch off automatically. You basically become the boss of electricity. Upsides? No hub needed, voice control with Alexa or Google. Compact design that doesn't hog your outlet. Downside? Only works on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And yeah, setup might test your patience. Compared to generic plugs, this feels smoother, smarter, less, why is this not working? Who should buy it? Lazy geniuses, smart home beginners, people tired of getting up. Final thought? This tiny plug won't change your life, but it will definitely outsmart your habits.
Sweat doesn't knock, it attacks. 1 second you're chilling, next second you're melting like ice cream in a microwave. That chaos? Meet the KIMMOO Rechargeable Desk Fan, your tiny spinning bodyguard. Let's cool this down. The problem? Desk heat, power cuts, air that just sits there judging you. Big fans are bulky, cheap mini fans, about as useful as blowing air with your mouth. Now, the upgrade. This KIMMOO rechargeable desk fan brings serious airflow with turbo wind tech and up to 100 speed levels. Yes, 100. From a soft breeze to papers flying off your desk mode. Here's where it wins. It's quiet, like 35 dB quiet. You can study, work, or pretend to work without distraction. Battery life? Up to 8 hours. No wires, no drama. Just cool air wherever you go. The good stuff? Portable, adjustable tilt, LED display. The part? Not for cooling whole rooms, and max speed drains battery faster. Compared to basic USB fans, this feels like upgrading from a whisper to a mini storm. Who should buy it? Students, gamers, people fighting summer like it's a boss battle. Final thought? This little fan doesn't ask permission. It delivers relief. Your water isn't warm. It's staging a silent protest against you. 1 minute, it's ice cold. Next minute, it tastes like it gave up on life. That daily disappointment? Enter the RAYMYLO insulated water bottle. The hydration upgrade your lazy habits didn't see coming. Let's break the thirst drama. The problem? Regular bottles turn into mini saunas. You sip once, boom, lukewarm sadness. And leaks? Congrats, your bag is now a swimming pool. Now the fix. RAYMYLO insulated water bottle uses triple wall vacuum insulation to keep drinks cold up to 48 hours and hot for 24. Yeah, your water has better commitment than most people. Here's where it flexes. Leak-proof lids, straw or spout options, even a paracord handle for easy carrying. The good stuff? Long-lasting temperature, durable stainless steel, travel-friendly. The part? It's a bit bulky, and if you drop it, it might dent. Compared to basic double-wall bottles, this feels like upgrading from meh to main character hydration. Who should buy it? Gym people, travelers, forgetful sippers. Final thought? This bottle doesn't just hold water, it protects your dignity, sip by sip. Burnt outside? Raw inside? And somehow your fries still taste like disappointment. Yeah, cooking shouldn't feel like a science experiment gone wrong. That's where the Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer steps in and fixes your kitchen drama fast. Let's break it down. The problem? Traditional cooking takes forever, oil everywhere, and timing? Completely off. You either overcook or babysit your food like it's a toddler. Now, the upgrade. The Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer uses a powerful DC motor and multi-speed fan system to cook up to 46% faster while keeping food evenly crispy. Here's the twist. 9 cooking functions. Air fry, roast, bake, even dehydrate. Basically, one machine replacing your entire I'll use it someday kitchen collection. The good stuff? Fast cooking, even crisping. Large 6-quart capacity for family meals. The part? It's not silent, and you'll need to learn timings for perfect results. Compared to models like DualBlaze, this one focuses more on crisp quality and versatility over extra smart features. Who should buy it? Busy people, lazy chefs, anyone tired of oily regret. Final thought? This machine doesn't just cook. It saves your food from your cooking skills. So, yeah. If your cooking still tastes like experiment gone wrong, maybe it's not you. Okay, wait, it is you. But this fixes it. Hit the links in the description, grab your upgrade, and let the Cosori TurboBlaze do the hard work. Like, subscribe, and stick around, because we turn kitchen disasters into edible victories.